Okay, so that how are you today? How do you think last treatment after that?
After last treatment, it feels way better than what I was before, and this hand is better than this one. So that's why I am continue here.
Yes,
because I know you're gonna make a difference.
Oh yes, of course, absolutely. But today generally your tingles numbness is much better now,
it's much,
right? Very much better.
Yeah.
And right now you only have still these fingers maybe left, eh?
Yeah.
But right now you feel pain around here, right?
Right here. Yeah.
Right here, yes.
Right there.
Okay. So today we still use that super micro light needling treatment.
Okay.
Just a very short, quick treatment, and then we'll see what happens. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel that his skin, the texture is very hard here. It's totally different from the normal, the skin tissues. So we just work a little bit here. Here? Yeah, that's a tender part, right?
Yeah.
Over here?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
okay. Yeah.
That's long time the injury here, that scar tissue is formed, and then that this texture of the skin has been getting harder and harder, and then it's softer now. That's good. After he need to come back and get more treatment for that. Maybe 2 more sessions should be done. Right here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so today that will be just like that. Yeah, you can try. How do you feel now?
I feel cool.
Feel cool, eh?
Cool is right here.
Yeah? Feel cool.
Like from stiffness.
Yes.
To very relief.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, so that. Yeah, I think we need 1 more sessions or 2 more sessions, just to make the tissues better. Because before treatment very hard, right now more soft now.
Yeah,
that's great. Yeah, sure, that's great. And then maybe I work on the arms. Okay.
Okay.